out there right now, 52 in Lafayette, are going to hold steady or actually rise as southeasterly winds begin to come in during the overnight hours. So this is what it looks like. Here's Futurecast bringing the rain and storms in first thing tomorrow morning across southwest Louisiana. Low pressure system still back here and still the front way back to the west. So here we are at 7. Now we are at 9 o'clock in the morning. So it looks like our best rain chances will be during the course of the morning hours. Here's 11 a.m. and then by 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, most of the in the afternoon rather, most of the activities off to the east. Here's 3 o'clock, lingering clouds, maybe a few sprinkles, but maybe a few intervals of sun by late in the day, and then breezy and cooler air will be moving on in. Hopefully a little bit sunshine on Sunday, but I'm not overly as optimistic as the computer model here will say a cloud and sun mix. It will be breezy and cool. Temperatures hard pressed to get out of the low to mid 50s. Now look at the snow totals with this system. You get into the pink, that's 6 inches or better. You get into yellow, you're better than 12 inches. And then we have this hot spot within that 1 foot zone up to 18 inches of snow in around St. Louis, and then also a big snowfall for our friends up in Virginia. So when we're pulling the cooler air from the north, it's going to be chilled by the snow. So there's going to be a little bit of a chill in the air going into early next week. As for rainfall totals, the models have been consistently indicating a 1/4 inch or less, but the latest model run going a little bit higher than that. So we'll say generally most folks a 1/2 inch or less, but there could be a few spots that catch up to an inch of rain with a few embedded storms. Not expecting any severe weather nor any flood threat. So that is the good news. And I think tomorrow afternoon we salvage the day with maybe a few intervals of sun. Temperatures by morning in the mid to upper 50s. Look at this, balmy tomorrow afternoon. We'll be in the low to mid 70s, and then the cooler air spilling in tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. We'll get down into the low to mid 40s for Sunday morning with a little bit of a wind chill as well. And then Sunday afternoon, a mixture of sun and clouds, we'll say for now, with temperatures only in the low to mid 50s. So Sunday will be some 20 degrees colder than tomorrow. So clouds increasing overnight tonight, temperatures steady, then rising later on. Showers developing by daybreak. I got the rain chances up to 50% now for first thing tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, good chance of showers and some embedded thunderstorms. Best chances will say 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., but we might move that up to 7 a.m. and drop it off at about 1 p.m. But you get the idea. Mostly morning action. Mild with some sun late in the day. We'll go 73 the high. Rain chance 80% early, but dropping down to 10% by day's end. So again, 80% doesn't mean it's going to rain 80% of the day or imply how heavy it's going to be. It just means 8 out of 10 of us are going to get the ground wet by some rain, a 1/2 inch or less. As we go into St. Sunday, it looks partly to at times mostly cloudy, breezy, and cool as mentioned. And of course, the new work and school week starts next week, and the sun will be back out, but it will be chilly. Highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. Milder again toward the end of next week with perhaps another chance of storms next Saturday. That'll be followed by maybe even colder air, but we're going to have to wait and see on that. Still have